guys? We are finally back, bro. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, so it's finally 10 a.m. You know, the live trading is starting. I'm finally back from my trip, so we're back on the setup. I'm sure you guys obviously can see. I didn't go live since Wednesday. Yeah, I didn't go live since Wednesday. But we're finally back. We're finally back. But here, let me go ahead and start up the live trading here on Discord. For the premium. Hold on. Let me go ahead and start it here. There you go. Here, let me take off my jacket because it's a little cold. I'm not gonna lie, or a little hot. All right. Let me see. Yo, what's good, guys? Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? I hope you guys had a good weekend, cause mine was definitely interesting. But what's good, guys? What's going on? What's going on? I hear. So let me give you guys the game. Well, I'm sure you guys know the game plan. Um, Here, let me go ahead and start up the. Also, I know my mic might sound a little bit better. I'm finally back at the setup and everything, so we're good. We're good off that. But yeah, I pretty much already have a kind of a game plan for the morning. We just need more of a bias. I've been waiting on the bias to kind of start, and just go from there, kind of. Um, but yeah, I'm sure you guys already know the bias. It's kind of the same idea that I put out in the commentary channel. Um, but yeah, let me see. Let me catch up with YouTube real quick. But yeah, so far we are getting. I'm surprised we did not take out the Asia low. I'm really surprised. By 3 points we missed it. Really surprised. Let me see. Make sure everything's looking good. I bet. I know. Yeah, bro. It's you know. Okay, but let me see. Okay, now that YouTube's guys, give me 1 second. I'm preparing everything. You know, I'm a little rusty right now. So I'm just preparing everything to be good for the setup. Okay, there you go. Blast, what do you think about the gap fill? I used to trade gap fills, not anymore. I wouldn't be surprised if it fills it. I really wouldn't. I mean, sellers, they seem pretty strong right off open. I mean, I'm sure you guys saw the opening volume. It was pretty interesting, really interesting. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go for this gap fill. Would I trade it? I don't know. Probably not. I haven't traded gaps in a while, so I especially with futures, I don't know how they work. So I'll probably just watch and just wait till like 460 gets taken out. I know it's pretty far, but you really never know. It's really only 100 points away. No, I'm rusty from the bro. I haven't been on my setup for okay, so it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, for like 5 days. So I'm just getting everything started up and everything. So was it good? Yeah, bro. Of course. But yeah, no, guys. Pretty much what I'm waiting for right now, is I kind of just okay. So what I wanted to see before I started the live is I obviously we saw that we were going straight into the Asia low, which is the gap fill at 525. But I'm like, okay, well, if we're gonna go to 525, we might as well just take that out and get rid of that level so we can take a liquidity and possibly start going up. Well, we didn't take it out, but we started going up. So I don't know if this push up right here is gonna be the actual push up, for the MSS, or we can go back down since we are rejecting quite a bit right now. We can reject back down into this Asia low, take it out, and then go back up. So like I said, the market opened about like 30 minutes ago, so I don't really have the clearest bias yet, but I definitely do know what I want to look for in the market, and that's what I'm waiting on. And I'm sure everyone in here read the commentary, so you guys can be updated with the setup. But for those that, if let's say for example you didn't, pretty much what I'm watching is okay. So you guys know we have a double top right here at London highs, right at 676. This double top, this rejection before the massive sell-off, another rejection before the massive sell-off, and so on. Right? We also have one more rejection, which is at 665, which is a nice level of liquidity, but no Asia or London higher, anything. It's just a level of liquidity. So what I'm looking for here is I wanted to see a nice sweep, which we got. We tried to get the sweep, right? But you guys can see that buyers just couldn't hold it up. They tried to get the sweep, but they couldn't hold it, right? So we took out London low. We took out London low at 580. We tried to sweep it, but buyers just barely they just couldn't hold on, right? So of course sellers took over. We got the selling, and if London lows can't hold, we're gonna go straight down into Asia lows, right? Because that's the next level of liquidity that's holding us from going any lower, right? Which is gonna be acting like a magnet. So what's going on here is, since we took out this low and sellers wanted to go lower, I'm like, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the market a little bit more time, since I don't have a bias just yet. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just wait for Asia low to get taken out, and then try to see if I can make my bias a bit more bullish after the sell off. So yeah. Let me see. But yeah, I was cruising. Hey, bro, what's up? Hey, bro, it was good, bro. Really, really good. Shit, bro, I might go on another one soon, bro. But yeah, so far, like I said, we could see upside. I'm just really not expecting upside. Hey, what's up, Germ? What's going on, bro? How many days was this cruise? It was 3 days, bro. I never. My evil's gone. Try to contact Apex, bro. I can't do anything about that. I don't work for Apex. Try to contact them and see what happened. ES may drag this down a little bit more. The thing is, it's like we know that NQ can go. We know that NQ wants to go lower, but it's not trying to right now. Or it's trying to, but buyers are stepping in a lot earlier. Now, yes, on the other hand, well, okay, yeah, no, yes, because I was looking at this level, but we already took that out. We took that out, yeah. So yeah, both ES and oof, ES took out this high though. Well, we can just move it up. It's the same thing. It's really the same thing. Just updated levels. Because this was the overnight levels that I had. But the problem is here, guys, is we know that these two want to go down just a tad bit lower. Like they really want to go down. I mean, sellers are trying to step in, but buyers just are not letting them, which is a good sign for our setup, because our setup wants to be bullish. But if we want the most confirmations, we kind of have to sacrifice a little bit of price action and take out 525 first before we take out 620. That's the thing. Now, if we want to go higher, so be it. We could still take out the London low and go even higher. But now that we've worked around so much volume around this price, I don't know how good a sweep would be off of this London low right here. So what I would want to see, I know it's kind of stupid to say, like, if I want the market to go up, but before it goes up, I want it to go down a little bit more. You know what I mean? That's kind of stupid to say, but it would just make the most sense, because we have a ton of liquidity at this gap fill. Like, the amount of liquidity sitting down on this gap is insane. But if we take that out and we take out all that liquidity, we don't have a choice but to go up. That's if we get the sweep, though. If we get the confirmation, of course. If we want to go lower and fill the gap, then the long idea will be out of the picture. But if we can manage to get the sweep off of Asia low and form an MSS back up, it'll be insane. And it'll be even better if we can get a setup on the way down. But I don't know about that part. I really don't know about that part. I have a gap on my NQ. Yeah, everyone does, bro. It's right here. In the meantime, let me go and check something up real quick. But yeah, buyers they kind of want this, and we're really, if you guys look at the chart, it might seem like we're far from the inverse, but realistically we're like 40 points away. We're like one big candle away from inversing this rally gap, which is what we want to see. So hopefully we can get a quick day to ourselves, because you guys already know we're not trying to stay on all day. Bro, where'd you take the 525 level? It's the gap, guys. This one right here is the Asia low. What causes the gap? Just too much volume when the market opens. How does price react to gaps? It's my first time seeing it. It's nothing crazy. Just think of this space right here as an unfilled space, and price wants to go ahead and fill the space. So if we break this gap, there's a pretty high chance where we could just keep going down until this high right here, until we fill the entire gap. Think of it as like an empty space, like a void in the market that needs to be filled. The strategy is known as a gap fill. I used to trade it. It's good. Don't get me wrong. It's a really, really good strat. It's just the risk reward that you get sometimes is just not worth it. We might retrace into this 15-minute for rally up and go down. I want to see a retracement into this 5-minute. How did you cruise, bro? Where did you go? I went to the Bahamas, bro. And it was amazing. Bro, Jojo, that is not me, bro. I used to trade it too. It's not worth it. Okay, well, it's a really good strategy. Like, really, really good strategy. Don't get me wrong. It's just you don't get the understanding of the market. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't like, you know what I mean? Like, if you're able to identify the trend and a bunch of volume going to a gap, sure, you could take it. It will probably work out because that's when I first used to trade options. Well, hold on. Okay, when I first used to trade options, I used to trade that strategy like no other. Like, my life would be dependent on that strategy. But the thing is, it's an easy one, but you don't get the understanding of the market like how you want to understand it with like drawn liquidity. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like, a little bit riskier than usual. But if you do it right, you could definitely make money. You just don't get the full understanding of the market, of where it wants to go and stuff like that. But you can get you could get a pretty quick scalp off of it, which is amazing. But yeah, so far, I really hope buyers can hold this up. I mean, we keep getting like weird price action where we pump up and dump back down, which is not something we want to see. We want to see very stable price action to the upside. But I mean, only time can really tell. Only time can really tell. Let me check up on the thing. Were you sure if we get a rejection of the 5 minute fair value gap? No, I want to go. Oh wait, my tooth just got really cold. What the hell? No, I want to look to inverse it, and I don't really care about the 15 minute. I want to look for the 5 minute. I know we're in the 15 minute. I know we can reject. I know you guys can take shorts. If you guys want to do that, go ahead. But for me, I'm waiting for a London sweep plus an inverse of the 5 minute and the 15 minute as well. Right? That'll be the best, like the best thing ever. Because you just have more room to the upside. You have a lot more to target. You have a lot more understanding of it. You have a lot more everything. Now, of course, it's a lot riskier because we're currently rejecting. Like the bias right now is a little bit bearish. The market is creating lower highs and lower lows. So rejecting off this 15 minute could make sense to go back down, but me personally, I rather risk not getting the shorts and try to get the longs. It's just there's just so much more room for it. Plus, I'm calling it a day 3K across 5 accounts, bro. That is insane, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. What times do you use for Asia? 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. EST. So it's 6 p.m. EST to 3 a.m. EST, and in London it's 3 a.m. to 9:30 in the morning. Yo, Blast, I heard when Asia and London make moves when a month. No, no. It varies, bro. It varies. I mean, all the sessions could be good. You know. Can you post your Asia session settings in the group? Yeah, here, guys. Just take a screenshot of it. Here it is, guys. It'll be this one right here. Here it is, guys. Clocks. No, yeah. Don't worry. The stock market still opens at the same time. It's not like no. It's not like the time goes back and the market opens at 8:30 in the morning. You know what I mean? No, it's normal. It's normal. The markets will remain opening at the same time as they usually do. But yeah, so far, I mean, sellers. It seems like sellers want to step in from this invert. I mean, this 15 minute, which it's it's fine. It's fine. But if buyers can go ahead and manage to hold above this London low and inverse this five and 15 minute fair value gap, it's insane. It'll be an insane trade. But we just need more buyers to step in. And I know it's gonna be a little bit hard. I'm not expecting buyers to really step in all that much because the trend is technically still bearish. But if buyers can step in here and inverse this 5 minute, oh my, this setup will be amazing. This setup will really be amazing. But we just need a tad bit more confirmation. We're getting the MSS, but we have not gotten the London sweep just yet. We're just barely getting it right now. Right? So we need to hold above, like I said, 580. We already have the MSS, so we don't really have to worry about that. We just need more buyers to step in, which obviously they are. We have a lot of green candles and a really nice red to green candle here. Right? We just need just buyers to step in, not sellers, because then our stop loss is gonna get played with, and we don't want that. And then all we need to do now is just wait for this inverse, and we target PT1 and 2, and then maybe even 3 up here. But PT1 and 2 are gonna be our main focus. What's the difference between MSS and BOS? Breakout structure is when you get a breakout between like a consolidation zone, and an MSS is just the market structure, like the trend of the market flipping from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. What's PT1 and PT2? Price target 1 and price target 2. So if we go into longs here, we would target price target 1 at 665 and price target 2 at 676. Like it's where we would sell if the trade goes our way. Where would our stop loss in the trade be? We don't have a stop loss, bro. I mean, not yet. I mean, the trade hasn't played out, so I can't really tell you where we would stop out. That's not stuff I know until the trade is ready. Bro, what is this discount code for another time? We don't have a stop loss. Yeah, no, yeah, we don't trade with stop losses, bro. You're in the wrong group. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But it'll probably be like what's it called, like 25 points around there. Yeah, like yeah. How many points are 25? Usually 25. Usually 25. Are you getting your own discount code for what? Beam for what? We can take out the fair value gap and inverse for shorts. No, I wanna inverse for longs. Could I go back into open and take Asia lows? Oh no, we already took out Asia lows. Oh wait, actually no, we haven't. No. Asia lows are down here. I don't know what I'm saying. The thing is, it's like we. The thing is, we really could go down straight down into Asia lows, but do we really want to? You know, do we really want to? Because the thing is, we've gotten so many buyers already that like it's like, is it worth going back down? My bad. I had to sneeze. But yeah, is it like the thing is, yes, we could go into Asia lows because technically we have not filled that liquidity, and if you guys expand your time frame, you guys can also see that we're on the 15-minute bearish value gap, right? We're inside of this bearish value, so which could signal a possible strong rejection. Now, with this rejection, we can go straight down into Asia lows, which is possible. I'm not saying we can't do it. If anything, we can probably do it. Thing is we've done so much work already that it's like if the market wants to go up, what is the point of it going down into Asia low to go right back up? We've already done the MSS confirmation. We might as well just inverse this value gap like how we're gonna do if the market wants to do it, and we just push it back up. You know, so we're in a very very tough spot right now where the market does not know what it wants to do. Like, it's not that it doesn't know what it wants to do. It's just that buyers and sellers, they're fighting too much for bias here. That's why you guys are constantly seeing a big push down with a big pullback right back up and then push back down. Because think of it as buyers and sellers fighting for the direction right here, right? Buyers seem like they want to step in because, I mean, look at the wick plus the 15-minute candle, but you guys gotta keep in mind on the higher time frame, the trend is bearish, right? The market is creating lower highs and lower lows. We have the main high, lower high, and we have not tapped into Asia lows down here, right? So, and on top of that, we're also rejecting off a very, very strong 15-minute fair value gap. So, technically speaking, we should be going down. But I don't want to see us going down just because I have more of a reading and more of a game plan more to the upside. So I'd rather risk losing this 15-minute fair value gap trade into shorts and just like test my luck to see if we can even see the 5-minute inverse fair value gap, right, into highs. So yeah, we could really reject down really, really hard. The thing is, I'm just not trying to put my money into this trade right here. I mean, we've already seen some downside. Are you going sizing in light? No, I mean, I don't see why I should. No, so I'll probably do full size. You guys know I only size light when the market's really either really choppy or we have news coming up. But right now, I mean, the price looks pretty good. You know, we're just waiting for a direction. No, I'm not in anything. No. Guys, you guys would definitely know if I was in something. You guys would know. I repeat it 1,000,001 times. So how many cons are you gonna go when you say full size? I like 10, usually 10. And when I say half size, I do like 7. Or not half size. When I say size light, how many micros for 50k account? Almost at 20. 10 micros. We still have market open in 14. Wait, what? The market is not opening, bro. The whole market is open. The market hasn't been open, bro. You gotta wake up here, bro. Come on now. You're sizing that, guys. No. What do you, bro? It's like I answer the question, it just gets repeated again. Free Dirk, bro. 10 is normal on the 50k. Yeah, it is. It is. I usually do 10 on 50ks. Plus, David, you should get one of those stream overlays for the entries for the signal bots. I've never seen the overlay. I've never seen it. No, guys, just because the time went back an hour does not mean that the market is gonna open an hour earlier. That's not how it works, guys. You just have an extra, and you guys pretty much have an extra hour to sleep before the market opens. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone knows that. Like for example, if you guys are going to work and the hour goes back by 1 hour, you're not gonna go to work 1 hour earlier. At like if you go to work at 8 in the morning, you're not gonna go at 7 in the morning. You go at the same time. You just get an extra hour of sleep. You know. You'll start an hour change? No, not yet. I think our time changes on the 3rd of November. But yeah, buyers. I mean, so far they want this higher. They just sellers are just bringing them down constantly. So let's see, but guys, we're about to head into this fair value gap. So hey, maybe we can get a trade here and call it a day pretty quick. As maybe because the market is not set to European time. I don't know. Anytime the time changes in the US, the market will always open at the same time. The market will never in its life open at 8:30 in the morning. New York session. Never. It's always at 9:30. I don't know how European time zone works, but here in the US when the market opens, it's always gonna be 9:30 flat. Do you always trade after 10 a.m.? Yes, I do. Sometimes I trade a little bit earlier if there's a good setup, but if not, I usually just take to 10 a.m. That's my usual. That is my usual, bro. So far, we're heading pretty strong into this fair value gap. So hopefully we can inverse this with no problem. Like kind of like bread and butter. So we'll see. But the trade, we want to risk about 25 points. So maybe like around here. Our stop loss would be like ideal around here. But yeah, no, buyers are stepping in really, really nice. This is what we want to see. We want to wait for that. Now the wish reward here. Okay, not bad, not bad. So we're almost have a 1 to 2. Then a 1 to 2 here, and then for PT3 we have a almost a 1 to 3. Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah, I'm fine with that. May I ask what platform you're using? I use TradeAway. I use for funded accounts. I use Apex. For charts, I use TradingView, and then I use TradingView. Or wait. Yeah, for trading. Wait, hold on. I confused myself. Okay, for funded accounts, I use Apex. For the broker, I use TradeAway, and for the charts, I use TradingView. There you go. But yeah, hopefully buyers can really hold this up. I don't want to get choppy around this range. I really just want to see buyers just step in out of no, like not out of nowhere, but like step in with no issue. Double top at 940 and 935. Is that on the 1 minute? Let me see. Unless you're talking about this high up here, we have not tapped into this high yet though, so it can't really be a double top. Plus, we're still playing around it, so you gotta wait for an actual rejection to. Can't lower their higher fire lower and get off. I don't know. I mean, if the evidence is pretty clear, I mean, it's gonna be really hard, really hard. But you never know. If you're paying the money for a lawyer, who knows? Who knows? Yeah, look for Friday's high to get taken out. Friday's high is at this one, right? Yeah, it should be that one. Yep. Is the stream delayed? Yep, by 2 minutes, bro. By 2 minutes. YouTube is always gonna be delayed by 2 minutes. Check. That's good. That's good. And make sure you have your patience on in check as well. The feds have billionaires locked up. Dirk will get life. Yeah, obviously, if the evidence is clear, yeah. But you never know, bro. If you get a good lawyer, what's his name? Like Jayoma? That's his name. But if you get Jayoma, bro, he'll make sure you're out. Do you drink hot? No, not really. He only was wearing a wire for a couple years. No. It wasn't a no. That's not what it was. But yeah, if he has a was it? People are saying that like he served 12 years first, and then he put on a wire recently. That's what I read. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the streets dangerous. Yeah, literally. But hey, like he said, he does not care about anyone but his client. So, can you really argue with that? They have him on wiretap, bro. He's cooked. Yeah, bro. If he's on a wire, bro. That, like I said, if the evidence is clear, bro, he's not getting out, bro. He's gone, bro. He's gone. He served 12 years and almost went back again. They said if you don't want to serve, give us Dirk. Oh, yeah, no, that's tough, man. That's really tough. Really, really, really tough. Yeah, we can't save him, bro. The Feds got him. Bro, the thing is, like, he knows how to work, bro. He knows how to work. Gun charge. Then see. Damn, bro. Do you connect TradeView to TradeView? If yes, how do you execute it using TradeView? Yeah, it's really easy. If you want to do it, do I suggest it? Not really, not really. But it's really easy. Okay, look, go to TradeView real quick. On the top right, click Settings. When you're in Settings, go ahead and click Add-ons. When you're in Add-ons, go ahead and activate TradingView. It should be completely free if you have an Apex account. It's included, right? Go ahead and click Activate. Once you activate it, go over to TradingView, and at the complete bottom where it says Trading Panel, go ahead and click this. Click TradeView, and then log in using your Apex details. Make sure you click Demo. Once you do that, you should be good to go, bro. They haven't announced all the charges to my bodies. You know, wake up one day, try to murder Friday. Yeah. Hey Blas. I got a couple payouts this year. How do taxes work for funded accounts? Bro, first of all, congratulations, bro. Good shit. Second of all, your Apex will send you a 1099 form. And then you just submit that. It's gonna be like an NEC or whatever, something like that. And then you just. By the way, make sure you write off all the accounts you bought, like the activation fees and everything, because that's 100%. Like you can 100% write it off. So hey, you're saving yourself some money with the thing. 1099 NEC. Yep, that's what it was. Did you say? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Did you say if you have an Apex account, you can access TradingView in real time? Yeah, you can. You can. Yep, it's completely free. It's completely free. Why wouldn't you recommend linking TradingView to TradingView? I mean, well, I personally just wouldn't use TradingView to send over trades. You know what I mean? Also, we're getting some nice buying here. But I just wouldn't use TradingView to send the trades because the delay that you get for sending out your orders is really really bad. It's horrible. Well, sometimes, most of the times, it's horrible. So I personally just suggest just using TradingView to send out your orders. But yeah, guys. So right now we're currently going. Oh my, guys. Okay, wait. Because buyers are stepping in really strong, and I don't even have this prepared. Let me write out this thing right here. Okay. Let me make sure everything's looking good. But let me see. Longs. Okay. But yeah, so far this is the buying that we want to see, which is amazing. But we need to obviously inverse this. So let's see how this reacts. We're only really like 10 points away from inversing, about 14-ish points away from inversing this fair value gap. So this is what I'm looking to inverse. Of course, I want to have my stop loss at 25 points. You guys know the usual, nothing new. But yeah, what we want to do here is just inverse this. That's really all we have. And ES on the other hand, it kind of still has room to go a little bit higher. ES does look a little bit stronger. Because look at where the liquidity is, and look at where the liquidity is on NQ. So we definitely have some room to kind of work with, I guess. But we definitely gotta be a little bit careful with this level up here at 881. It all depends on the buying volume though. So I'll probably take some trims off if ES hits 881 when I take the trade. But hey, that's in its own time. That's in its own time. But let's see. So far, buyers seem like they want to step in really nice here. But like I said, ES looks. Oh shit. ES looks like it kind of wants to go a little bit higher than NQ. A lot, buyers are a lot stronger. The only thing that worries me is with liquidity being so close at 881 and NQ barely, not even being in the fair value gap. We're gonna have to take trims a little bit early here, guys. So be ready for that. That's it when we enter. Of course, remember I'm not in yet. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. But yeah, we gotta be careful with that because here we have nothing holding us down until 665. But if you look over at ES, we have one thing that could hold us down at 881, and we're not so far away. We're about 4 points away, right? Yeah, not even. We're about three points away, almost 4, pretty much. But we gotta be careful with that. All right, guys. But yeah, we need one more buying spike to get into this inverse, and we should be good for an entry. But so far, nothing yet. But I'm really hoping we don't take our liquidity on ES and just go right back down. At least let's take our liquidity at 884. Give us one more room to go higher. But hey, we'll see. So far, buyers are struggling a little bit to get into this inverse. We're kind of rejecting off the midpoint of the fair value gap. So, it could take some time. We could get one more pullback to the downside. We might even fully reject into Asia lows. Who knows, right? But we need to see more buyers step in. I know we have some stepping in, but we need more. We need a lot more to step in. We can't have any sellers in sight, because if sellers step up, then they're gonna play around with our stop loss and possibly stop us out, and we don't want that. We don't want that. So we need only buyers to step in. So we're waiting on that. We are waiting on that. Now, ES on the other hand, so far is moving the same as NQ in a way. Just has more room to go higher. You guys can see the candle difference here. But yeah, so far they're stepping in pretty nice. So far so good. We're in the midpoint right now, so we gotta be careful with that one. But NQ is picking up now when ES is slowing down, so there might be a little SMT flip here, but we'll see. Because I think I'm talking too much, but I'm just trying to explain the setup as clear as possible. NQ's trying to break highs here, but ES hasn't yet. So guys, if we get the entry before ES takes out 881, I might look to trim off really quick if we hit 881 on ES when we get the entry, if we get it. But so far, buyers are really struggling here to break above this midpoint on the fair value gap. We've gotten 2 rejections so far, so hopefully we don't, hopefully sellers don't pick up out of nowhere here. But okay. So we're getting the breakout here. Let's see, ES trying to break out highs here. NQ is just sitting there. I mean, we need more buyers on NQ. We have the buyers on ES, but nothing on NQ so far. Yeah, no, the buyers are just not picking up here on NQ. I'm sure if we break above 879, we can easily see the breakout above the midpoint on this fair value gap on NQ. But so far, like I said, sellers could step in because buyers are just struggling here to break out. Hopefully we just don't shoot it back down to Asia low. We could, but I just don't want to see that, because then the setup is gonna be gone. The setup is gonna be on. But yeah, so far we still have the rejection here, so we kind of have to wait a little bit longer. But that does not mean that setup is gone. We just have to wait for one more buying spike here. Oh my, wait, 400 people in here. What the since when? Yo, what the hell, guys? 400 of you guys here. What? How many of you guys joined over the weekend? Bro, you guys are crazy, bro. What? I looked to the side, I'm like, 400. Wait, what? Nah, but we don't focus on that stuff, guys. We gotta focus on the trade. But guys, welcome, by the way. Welcome. If you guys joined over the weekend, guys, welcome to the team, welcome to the family, and all that good stuff. But yeah, so far we're still waiting on the setup. We got a little pullback, which is normal. You guys know we're sitting on the midpoint of the fair value gap. We just need more buyers, right? Sure, we can get a little sell-off. We don't care about the sell-off. It's fine. But we just need a little bit more buyers here. A little bit more buyers. ES, on the other hand, we're still sitting all right here. As long as we don't take out 881, we should be good for higher. But we just need more buyers. I'm not gonna say I don't know why they're sending off. I do know, because we're rejecting off the 15-minute and the 5-minute fair value gap. But man, we want to see the inverse. You want to see this inverse. Question: If NQ goes down to Asia low, the setup will still be valid? Yeah, but it's gonna be really far away, bro. About 100 points away, matter of fact. So, I don't know how long it will take to play out, but it will still be there. It will still be there for the future. The 4-hour fair value has been inverse to the downside. I don't really. Nah, there's nothing on the. Well, it's all right. It's all right. The thing is, I don't like trading off the 5. I don't even like looking at the 4-hour. It's not as good as as the lower time frames. But yeah, I'm really hoping this is just a small pullback before the push up. I'm really hoping the trend does not flip here, guys, because I really want to see this inverse. Like, I'm really confident in this inverse, but we need to see higher. Right now we're back at 570, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. So I'm just hoping sellers just don't take complete control here. I'm really hoping. What's your third price target at? It will be up here, bro. At this high, on a 5-minute time frame. So I just have my price targets as as each and every single high. So it's this one, and this one up here. If it flips more points for us, I mean, the thing is like we have the perfect setup. We just need to inverse it. That's the problem. I was really expecting us to inverse it. I was not expecting so many sellers to step in, but it surprised me. I'm just hoping we don't shoot down into Asia lows. It's a big possibility, but it's just I'm hoping we don't because the setup is so good that I just don't want to let it go to waste. I just don't want to let the setup go to waste. News effect? No, we don't have any news today. We had no news on the calendar. We do have news all week though, just not today. But yeah, I'm really hoping. I mean, I don't mind a low pullback down here. It's really whatever. I'll wait the extra hour if we really have to. I just really want to see this inverse up here. This is the one thing I really want to see. This inverse right here. And all we need is one more big candle. We're back at square one. So I'm not worried about that. But you know, we just need one more candle and we're back at the entry. But I'm holding on to this setup because I know it's good. I know it's really good. Nothing will make you take the rejection off the 5 minute. No, bro, because the thing is, M-Flash, like, it's a risky one because we already took out London lows, so we don't know if the market wants to keep going down. You know what? Like, it's a hard read there. It's a really hard read. So in my eyes, it's a lot easier if we just sweep London lows. We inverse the fair value gap with the MSS that we already formed, and we just go a lot higher. I'd rather take the risk and miss the setup, and just just take it back up. I'd rather do that instead. I know it's riskier in getting an entry, but it's a lot safer when it plays out or if it plays out. There's just there's more reading to the upside rather than to the downside. Because the downside move it already played out. We could go down into 525, but it's risky because you're gonna be dealing with price action like this because buyers they seem like they want to step in. I mean, look at the price action, right? After every pullback, it's a constant green candle. So hopefully we can get some seller exhaustion pretty soon, and then we just shoot this back up. Is ticks on TradeAvy the same as points? No. 1 point is 4 ticks. So it's 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 until it makes $1, and that's 1 point. Guys, the market is open. I don't know why you guys keep saying no way the market opens. Guys, the market is open. I don't know why you guys are saying the market is closed. You guys are literally watching me trade. I get it. Your guys' time zone changed. If you guys are in Europe, guys, the market is opened. I don't know where that's coming from. It might open. It might be like an hour earlier from you guys, but the markets are open. These works are putting me off. I mean, bro, it's just price just kind of like this, like fighting. In my opinion, it might look choppy, but I still believe we can go higher. We have a lot of untapped liquidity that we need to fill to the upside. And the one thing holding us down from seeing those highs is this one fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. Maybe the 15 minute too, but we're focused more on the 5 minute. When considering a fair value gap to be valid, do we need to get 40 points or 46? No, 40 points. 40 points. So like this, for example, this fair value gap that we're watching, if you measure it from the complete top to the bottom, 62 points. I heard the market hours are extended to 22 hours. Is this true? Yes, it's true. I'm pretty sure it's true. It's not they're doing it. They're like thinking about it. Now, they tried to do this before. It did not end very well. It's the thing is, it's I see it more as a bad thing because you guys know the market is pretty much pretty volatile only during the New York session, right? From 9:30 till 4 p.m. It's really volatile. Now, when you expand that, what is it like the 8 hour time frame into 22 hours, the volume as well, it spreads out. So what does that mean? Well, if the volume spreads out alongside with the time frame, well, what happens is the volume gets slower because it's expanding, right? So instead of people pushing out trades in between 9:30 and 4 p.m., they're going to start pushing out trades whenever they want, which is not good, especially for us. It's not good. So I'm really hoping they don't go through with that. They've tried to do that before. They canceled the idea for obvious reasons. The market is not going to be as volatile as it usually is during New York session. So I mean, only time can really tell. But I'm really hoping they don't go through with that because, like I said, guys, the more the time for the markets open expands, the more the volume expands alongside with it. So instead of the volume being so short and so volatile in such a small amount of time, as the time expands, so will the volume. So that's not good because that means that Sure, you can still get setups, and it'll be a blessing to trade all day whenever you want. But the problem with that is your setups will take 3 times or maybe even 4 times as long as it usually does to play out. Why? Because the volume is expanded. So instead of people pushing out trades in a set amount of time in an 8-hour time frame, they have 22 hours now to place a trade. So just be careful with that. I would not want to see that. I really would not want to see that. I'm really hoping they don't go through with that because it's gonna be a massive headache, especially on me. And yeah, I know we're going back up. Trust me. I have the chart in front of my face. David, if I go into a trade on Apex and then I exit really fast, will Apex flat this? No, they really won't. Wait, what are they changing? They're trying to change the market hours from 9:30 to 4 p.m. for 22 hours, which is not good. Not good at all. I really hope they don't do that. I mean, there's just pros and cons. It's just that the pros they do not at all outweigh the cons. If anything, there's more cons to this than there are pros. Who's they? I'm pretty sure it's the New York Stock Exchange. The people that manage the market. 22 hours, a 22-hour live stream with Blast. Bro, I am not doing that, bro. I I am not doing that, bro. But anyways, guys, like I said, all we needed was one strong buying candle back into this fair value gap, and we should be good. So good thing that ended up going through. But let's see. Hey, maybe let's see. Maybe the third time's a charm. The second time, I don't know. Maybe we can inverse this time. Hopefully. But yeah, guys, let's see. Buyers so far, they're stepping in really nice. We have a full candle here and another full buying candle right here. All we need to do is just inverse the 618 level, and we should be good to go. That's all we need, guys. That's all we need. Let me see. Let me move this. No, I'm not gonna move it. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me kind of open this alert channel real quick. Okay, we're back into this midpoint. So we're back at where we rejected from. Hopefully we don't get another rejection. Hopefully buyers can really step in like how they have been stepping in these last two candles to go ahead and just inverse this fair value gap. Let me see ES on the other hand. ES has not taken out liquidity actually, which is beautiful. So we have now a lot more. Hey, you guys, it's like it's meant to be. You know what I mean? Now that ES has a lot more room to go higher, that means that NQ has a lot more breathing room to go higher as well, right? Because remember, guys, NQ before NQ was about to inverse this fair value gap, ES was really close to taking out drawn liquidity, right? Which was up here. But now that we have a lot more room, right? We have about five points to go up, which is a lot on ES. We have a lot more room to go higher on NQ, which is a good thing, right? So let's see if we can go ahead and get this entry, guys. Let's see. Buyers are stepping in really nice. We're about to inverse this fair value gap right here. So let's see. Hopefully we can get an entry here. Let's see. Buyers so far looking amazing. Now we just can't have sellers stepping out of nowhere like they did this time, right? But yeah, we're about to get this inverse right here, guys. So let's see how this plays out. So far nothing. Let me see. Yes, on the other hand, we should be pretty good here. Yep. So far so good. I'm not gonna really count this as a DOL sweep at 879. We should be good off that. But we really need to focus on 881. Now, hopefully we get this inverse. I mean, I'm really hoping sellers just don't step in out of nowhere, you know. But so far, no entry yet, guys. We need this to hold above the fair value gap. So far, nothing yet. I'm really hoping we don't just reject again, bro, because that will be crazy bad luck, bro. Or not bad luck, it would just be crazy annoying. How long do you let it hold before entering? There's no time frame, bro. I just wait for a nice buying spike to come up. More buying, more confirmations. You know what I mean? It's just the cherry on top. Yo, after your inverses, is there a certain price point you want to get in at? Anywhere above the inverse, bro. That's how we enter. I mean, the closer the better. You know what I mean? But it could be anywhere, really. If it rejects here, no, not yet. The fair value gap has not been filled yet. Look at this. As long as it doesn't go above this line right here, we should be good to go. So we're good. But that's surprising. I was not expecting sellers to step in so strong that quick, especially up there. I really thought sellers were completely out of the picture, but I guess not. You know what I mean? But it's fine. It's fine. We still just need the inverse, and we should be good to go. That's all we need. Hopefully, we can see it soon. Hopefully. Once the inverse of fair value puts a confirmation to enter, I mean, you just enter. That is your confirmation. The inverse above. Probably gonna. Let me see. Yeah, you could do around that range. You could do around that range. Candle close above the fair value gap. You could do a candle close. I'd rather do a breakout though. You just get a riskier but earlier entry. Right, but alright, let's see. Third time's a charm. Let's see if we can get this inverse again. Or not again, but let's see if we can finally break above it. The buyers are stepping in really strong here, so this could be the breakout here, guys. This could be the breakout. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's see. Hopefully this is the breakout here, guys. Oh, shit. I did not mean to do that. Is the stream so good? Yep, it is. Alright. Let's see. Come on, let's get one more spike. All we need is 3 points. A 3-point spike up, and we should be good for an entry around here. Let's see. 2 more points. Let's see. Come on, let's get this breakout here. We just need to break out of this high. Buyers are still struggling around this fair value gap, which is I don't know why. I mean, they really shouldn't be. I mean, they have the strength. It's just you guys see what I'm talking about? Like for what? It's like they push it up onto the complete top and then they reject back down. That is not normal. But alright, I guess we gotta wait a little longer again until we get this inverse. So let's see. ES on the other hand, looking whatever, I guess, looking pretty mediocre. NQ, another rejection, bro. What? That is something. That is something. The market makers are listening to you. They just start talking with, bro. Bro, literally at this point, yeah. At this point, is it even valid? Yeah, it is. It is. It hasn't filled above. Seeking the short tail PA for now, yeah. For now, yeah. I like the fighting within the fair value gap because you don't need to worry about getting stopped when you enter. I mean, bro, who knows? Who knows? The fighting of the direction could still continue to go above it. You never know. It all depends on the price. The price action is good. It's just the momentum is not there. You know, like the momentum is a little bit questionable, but the volume, it's amazing. Water break, bro. Shit, bro. I got my water here, bro. Do you ever use limit orders? No, always mark it. Always mark it. David, where can I find your bootcamp? Right here. Hold on. Just it's in the channels. You're gonna find the bootcamp playlist. But I guess we got one more pullback, guys. And yes, on the other hand, yes is looking a lot stronger, so we might get one more SMT flip here. Look at this. Yes, pushing up. NQ, kind of like whatever. It's just that price is like it doesn't know what it wants to do here. But my bias is still higher. I still do believe in higher. These wicks are horrible. Yeah, but the bias is there, so that's why I'm still a little bit confident in this trade. That's why I like it so much. But we just need to break above this fair value gap. That's all we need. What does the SMT flip stand for? It's when one takes like the strength in the direction. So for example, if NQ is going down and ES is not going down, that's an SMT. And then if NQ stops going down and ES starts going down, that's an SMT. That's an SMT flip. It's kind of confusing to understand, you know, or to explain as well. But that's what it is. Bro. Just what's nice about market orders on futures compared to options won't get filled. Bro, yeah, bro, options it's literally a hit or miss when it comes to getting filled sometimes. I remember I used to do because on Webull they don't let you do market orders, or at least they didn't let you back then. So you can only do limit orders, and sometimes when you got such a big move, getting filled will be close to impossible, right? So that's why I got a little bit of PTSD from doing limit orders. So I've always done market with futures. I love doing market orders. It's an instant fill, you know, and you don't really risk much. So I will always stick to market. There probably will never be a time where I do limit. After this momentum, are you gonna? Yeah, I'm still good for full size. Fuck options, bro, bro. I mean, options did us pretty good back then. Uh, it was just time for an upgrade. Do you limit at take profit? No, I take profit manually. I don't set take profits. I only set stop losses. Like the stop loss limits. And even then I still do market. I do limit sells when I trim, but that's risky, bro. That's risky because sure you might be getting like a tick or two above, which could be like a few more dollars. But if you don't get filled at that peak, bro, it can get a little bit ugly, bro. So I rather just pay the tick difference and just do market. So we can't. So can we just do a limit above the fair value gap? You could, but I mean, I rather do that manually. Yeah, bro. Price is still like. When you buy 10 contracts, and trim, you just sell 5 contracts? Yep, that's what I do. Yes, sir. Yep, so far nothing. You might get one little pullback again, guys. I don't know how little it will be, but it's definitely gonna be there. Mm, 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 mm. But I'm really hoping this pull. Like I said, I don't know how little this pullback is gonna be, but we'll see. We'll see. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, let's get this. Like it's like we get the pullbacks and we push right back up. Like how many? Like I'm surprised sellers have not gotten exhausted yet. We've been getting selling after every push up. Guys, I mean, we have look at the trend. The trend is bullish, short term, right? We have the main low, high low, high low, high low, high low. Like it's like it has to get to a point where sellers are just like, bro, we can't push it down. Let's give up. You know what I mean? Like, come on now, man. We're gonna push right back up into this fair value gap. It seems like. So I don't know why we keep pushing down. Like, let's go ahead and just inverse this already and just go on about our day. I don't know why sellers are trying their hardest to bring this down constantly when they keep failing. In the meantime, let me catch up with the chat. Uh, Bitcoin? Nah, bro, I'm good, man. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, Baron? Both sides look weak. I'm not gonna say weak. The price is definitely moving really volatile. Like there's good price action. It's just the momentum. It's like both sides. They're trying their best to take control, and it's making it look choppy, but it's really not. Like the price is good. In my eyes, the price is good. Like we're moving. It's just the momentum is not moving. Like we've been stuck. Like we're moving in the range. That's what's going on. Without taking out any lows, yeah, no, bro, we took out lows, bro. London lows right here. This is the main. This is the whole reason I've been looking for longs. This London low right here. This is the whole reason I've been looking for it. Bro, if they add extended trading, are we gonna have to put the fries in the bag, bro? Maybe, bro. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, yo, we're getting another SMT flip. What? Now ES is picking up again. Like it's like a constant SMT flip. It's like ES is strong, then NQ is strong, then ES is strong, then NQ is strong. It's like bro, let's get one more thing here. Like let's just get one push up here. How many micros do you do on full size? 10 micros. 10 micros. ES is way up. Yeah, I know. SMT flip again. This is like the fifth time it's happened. How would you enter on this? Wait for a hold and break above 618. Well, both. You need to make sure it breaks above, obviously, and you need to make sure it holds above so you don't get faked out. Bro, Aaron, what happened, bro? What happened? Would you eventually start looking to think shorts? Nah, not really. Not really, no. Trust me, if the market wanted to sell off, it's had every reason to this last hour and a half, it's had every reason to go down to Asia lows, and it just hasn't already, right? So if it hasn't done it yet, why would it want to do it later? You know, like we trust me, we would have been done it. We would have been done it. I mean, bro, we were so close to Asia lows. We rejected off a 15 minute. We're rejecting off the 5 minute, and yet we have not seen a well. At least, yeah. I'm not trying to jinx it or anything, but we haven't seen a massive push down. So that's why I'm so bullish on this. I just need to hold or wait for the inverse above. How come you do micros over minis? More control. You could trim a lot more, and it's just so much better in every way. Like the pros really outweigh the cons for micros and minis. It's chopping now. Nah. Well, yeah, it is. It is. Let's it's chopping. It's just volatile chopping. You know what I mean? Like we're moving just inside of a range, so we can't break above, we can't break below. All that stuff. And I moved the wrong chart. Hold up. There you go. So yeah, bro, this market is so ugly, man. Really, really ugly. Hopefully, if we get the entry, hopefully it doesn't like chop us out and stops us. It's a possibility, big possibility. Once this breaks, if it breaks, that's the question. It's not once, it's if. See, let's see if we can get one more push up here. It is the longer it takes, or the opposite. No, I mean it doesn't really matter actually. Go get some water, bro. At this point, like it's like I want to keep the joke going, bro, but like it feels like it's a joke, but every time I do it, it actually moves. That's the funny part there. Like I'm like, okay, guys, joke's over. It's water. All that stuff, and then I go get it, and it literally moves. Is it even good to trade this week? Why wouldn't it be? That's why the joke is still alive. Yeah, I mean, you guys stretch things out, but bro, it's not a joke. It's real shit. Yeah, literally, bro. Do you ever set your stop loss? Of course, bro. Of course, I set the stop loss. New join this weekend. What's up, everyone? How many accounts do you take 10 micros on? It's per account. You can do, I don't know, however many accounts. Hey, by the way, welcome. But for me, I do 10 micros per account. I usually copy trade 10 accounts. But yeah. Hopefully this is not. Oh my. It's like, bro, just inverse, bro. Just inverse. David's sticker is H2O, bro. And there's another pullback. Who would have thought we practically inverse fair value gap and go right back down, bro? Who would have thought, bro? Who would have thought? Do you have to pass an eval for each account on Apex? Yes, you do, bro. Yes. Each account is a new account. Will Apex do a Black Friday? I mean, bro, it's already 80% off. What more can you ask for Black Friday? Maybe they'll do 90% off, but I mean, bro, 80% off is 80% off. It's a lot, So I don't know how much more you want it to be. They'll probably do 90, yeah, probably, but I don't know. How much you guys want to bet that we're gonna sell off and we're gonna pump right back up? Let me do this episode. It doesn't look ugly. How much you guys want to bet? They want that accounts for free? Yeah, at this point, bro, that accounts are 80% off already. How much more do you want? Will it be a bro? Bro. The further is include. Yeah, no, it's still good. It's still good. Where can I get Apex accounts? Bro, on Apex Trader Funding. Here. Here you go. Let me forward this over to live trading. There you go, bro. So ask. No, I do market. Sell or yeah, sell market. Sell market. I'm having issues getting my Apex set up. What's the issue, bro? What's going on? Talk to me. Can we just use code Blasters for 8% off? Yeah, you can. The setup is still nothing. Yeah. Yo, I heard trading. Oh, trading view. Uh, yeah. I mean, you could do that. Yeah. What if we sell off? What's the next move? We're gonna have to wait for Asia to get taken out. I won't take anything until 525 gets taken out, and that'll probably be during the PM session. I'll be during the PM session, but I mean, I guess we're getting a sell off. Who knows? Yes, selling off, guys. I know. I can see. I can see. You guys don't have to add me for that. It's not letting me log in to send the documents on Tradevate. If you just bought the account, give it up to 4 hours. Give it up to 4 hours. Yep. So far, nothing. I guess we want to sell off into Asia. Yep, yes, is getting the sell off and everything. So far, no setups. It's just a little bit of ugly price action. But, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Here comes the why didn't we short? Yep, bro. I'm already prepared for it. Are we just forcing at this point? Forcing what? Maybe we can get a fair value gap on the way down. Maybe, but with a chop like this, bro, it's not very likely. A trade? I mean, bro, we have not forced a trade yet, bro. We don't even have a game plan yet. We still have the same game plan up here. 7 days to pass an eval? No time limit. Yeah, we haven't taken any trades. We're just waiting for confirmation. We're waiting for a setup. Let's see. I guess we want to go lower into Asia. I mean, which will be fine. I don't really mind. I mean, if we can get a setup on the way down, sure. I don't care. We can just take that setup instead. But well, we have 3 minutes to do this candle. If this candle can hold down, I mean, we can get an inverse off of this and just, you know, just play the sweep. I guess, but it's really fucking ugly. Really ugly. David, how do gap fills work? I mean, if it just breaks below and it will just fill it until this right here. So this space right here, it's usually gonna get filled. What about playing the bounce of the lower day? I don't play like that, bro. I don't trade like that. Then you also need to trade for 7 days? No, you don't. As long as the second you pass it, that's it. Hopefully here we can go, guys. If we can go lower here, I could probably get you guys a new setup with a new bias, or actually no, with the same bias, but just more confirmations. Because now that we take out Asia low, it'll be amazing. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and delete this fair value gap for now. Right? I'm gonna set our price targets into the fair value gap high, and then we use this new fair value gap for an inverse after we sweep Asia low, if we sweep it. You know what I mean? So honestly, it'll be a lot better. It'll be a lot better, a lot better actually. What if we sweep this low, create another fair value gap there? Yeah, that's what I just said. Yeah. I'm sure you're typing it as I said it, but I would like that. Now, you guys can't get ahead of yourself too much because we still have 1 minute into this candle. So we need to make sure that we don't wake this fair value gap up, right? We need to make sure that it holds below. Bro. But yeah, like I said, we can't get too ahead of ourselves. We need to make sure that the gap is formed. We also need to make sure that there's still like a space to work with. Because like this, look at that. You guys see, we had the fair value gap, and now half of the gap is gone. You see what I mean? So we can't get too ahead of ourselves. We have to wait till the candle closes. And I doubt this fair value gap is going to hold for the next 25 seconds. So we might be a little bit cooked here. Unless it somehow dumps 20, almost 30 points down in 15 seconds. You know, stop forcing, not trading. Yeah, no, bro. No one has traded, bro. No one has traded. You guys, I don't know where that's coming from. No one has forced a trade. No one has forced like, an idea. No one has done anything. We're just waiting on the setup. Why not take long on the gap? I'd rather not. I'd rather not. But guys, just like that, how we had a setup like 10 seconds ago, we don't have anymore. Let me catch up with YouTube. Let me see how you guys are doing. Your strategy is similar to RP? Hell no, bro. No, not really. Okay, guys, let's see this. Can you ask RP why he banned me from the Discord? All I asked him was the price is gonna be the same if I already paid. I mean, bro, that's between you and him, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know, but that's between you and him. I didn't even do anything, bro. Like I said, bro, that's between you and him, bro. I can't really do anything from that. Anyways, lesser sniper entries will pay just patience, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's just wait for the setup. I mean, you know, you guys will live. You guys will live. You know, we're still in the, we're still in the AM session. We're just waiting on it. Bro, are you full porting these accounts, bro? These accounts? $200 ticks. I mean, well, how much did you size? Because for a $200 tick for $3,000, let's say for example you cut the complete top. Well, it's 86 points, so it's not bad. But you know, here now that we don't have the fair value gap, let me go ahead and mark out the main one that we originally had. And we just push back up. We didn't even take out Asia lows, which is pretty stupid. Cash day. I mean, bro, the market opened like not even 2 hours ago. We guys, you just guys have to wait. Just wait. You think it'll go lower? With this chop, honestly, I'm surprised we didn't. I'm surprised we didn't go lower. To take out that Asia low. I've been wanting to take it out, but instead we take out this low, we inverse this high. Anything in guys, look, hear me out, guys. Anything in between these two lines, I will not trade inside. I won't do anything inside of these two lines. It's like a sandwich pretty much. We're sandwiched in between price. So I rather us try to make or not make a form of a setup here at 525 from the Asia sweep, or we sweep London, which we already been swept. We from the MSS, we got a lot of buying, and we just simply just inverse this fair value gap and trade it into 665 and above. You know, but anything in between this price, guys, I won't touch, because this price right here, think of this zone right here as a chop zone, right? So think of this as chop zone. Do not trade inside of this. Boom, just like that, right? So guys, in between this line and in between this line, these two lines is like a sandwich. You don't take trades inside of this. Why? Because this is known as a choppy zone. There's no momentum, there's no trend inside of this. So you don't know what the market is really doing here, right? But you will know what the market is going to do after it takes out either the fair value gap or the Asia low at 525. We don't know which one yet, but we got to wait on it, right? So anything inside of this range, you could trade it, but I won't, right? Until we get a sweep. So that's the only thing I'm waiting for. Yo, tell people that trading. I mean, it's not really reaction. It's kind of just like fighting for a direction. Would you ban the? Hell no, never. I don't ban anyone, guys. I'll never ban anyone. Do you think the fair value gap has filled, or the gap. No, no, it has not filled, guys. There's a whole gap below. This gap right here where there's no candles, it kind of has to get filled. But the question is when. That's always the question. How did RP ban you? No, he didn't. He banned someone in my YouTube chat, but I don't know why. I don't really you know. Years ago. Oh yeah, that story. Yeah. When did your parents find out you started trading? The day I wanted to start trading because I needed their information to open the account. They're pretty supportive about it though. With that tiny 5 minute for value account as an inverse if we sweep Asia. Nah, I wouldn't. Like I said, bro, I anything inside of the zone, I won't trade it. I just won't. I refuse to. I refuse to. So either we inverse this fair value gap in who knows how long, or we take out Asia and then we get another reading from there. Uh, what thing you bought? What's the first thing I bought when I first started trading? Oh, I remember, bro. It was an off-white belt. I never wore it in my life. It was when it was an off-white was like a big thing. It was the yellow belt. That's just hideous, but you know. But yeah, it was 200, and that was literally all I had to my name. Like everything that I worked for like the last 2 months, I spent it on a belt that I never wore. I still have it. Would you consider a gap fill and a bounce back up? Oh no, that's gonna take way too long. I mean, you could, yeah, eventually it's gonna bounce back up, but that's gonna take way too long. Because remember, we gotta dump down into 460 to get the gap fill, or not even, like maybe like 480, right? Around 480. Um, and it's gonna be like you know, it's gonna take a long time because then to go back up and get a setup, you know, I mean, the ideal one will be at 620. Sell it? No, bro, no, that's my trophy, bro. Although it's hideous, I mean, bro, every time I look back at it, I know why I got that, and that was my first ever options trading money. I got a good trade for like I think it was like the month, and I spent all that money. I know I didn't have good risk or not risk management, money management skills, but I bought it and I had nothing to my name. But you know, it's a trophy. Look at it in the long run, and you know, you look back at it and you're like, damn, you know, it's crazy how far I came. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna go turn on my fan because it's really hot in this room. Hold on. Bro, I stood up too quick and my head got super lightheaded, bro. The iron, bro. Is that what it is? What NQ ticker are you using? Your candles look different than mine. I'm using NQ1. If it looks different from yours, it's because the stream is delayed by 2 minutes. So it might be 2 minute. There might be a 2 minute delay. There has to be a market mover in here. The second David said I'm gonna sell off. Bro, maybe I am, bro. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You need some sodium. But the thing is, I haven't ate anything today, and I really didn't eat that much yesterday. So. Oh, by the way, guys, how do you guys feel about the new schedule channel? I'm making sure to add everything that I would add in the chat in that channel. So here, let me kind of guide you guys through it. If you guys didn't see it. In the meantime, while we wait for this market to do something, but okay, guys, look, peep this. Hold on, let me screen share everything. Hold on. Okay, so look, guys. Now, before you guys There's about 300 people in here, so I'm sure you guys can you guys can hear here. Um, Before you guys ask if is there a live trading, go to this channel first and figure it out. Right? It's not all that hard. A 5-year-old could do this. So if you guys want to go ahead and see when the live trading starts, same time as always, right? 10 a.m. Nothing new. And here I told you guys, if there's no trade, like today for example, there's no trade during the AM session. Can we do a PM session? Yeah, I'll do it. Now tomorrow, for example, why did I say that there's no PM session? Right? If we don't get a trade in the AM, why won't there be a PM? Well, lucky for you guys, I put it all in this channel because I know you guys are gonna ask why, right? So what you're gonna do is here's a live trading. I made sure to make a picture just in case you guys couldn't read the text because sometimes you guys can't read, right? You scroll down a little bit, you guys see, okay, so Monday, I put the news, I put what news to look out for, and all that stuff. So here in the premium schedule, I will tell you guys Monday is no news, so we're going to trade all day. Tuesday, we're gonna wait for the 10 a.m. folder to come out, and then we're gonna trade all good, stuff like that. So I'll let you guys know when you guys could expect, a trade to come up, right? If that's not enough, it's fine, right? So for those that are wondering why, for example, tomorrow, why won't there be a live trading session? Well, you guys know every quarter, there's 4 quarters in a year. Every quarter, the company earnings come out. Now, when the think of it as like the big dogs in the market, when their earnings come out, the market tends to chop out until they come out because of the anticipation. So what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and use this one, the yellow one, right? It's very simple here, guys. You're gonna go ahead and look at the earnings calendar. By looking at the earnings calendar, whichever huge company has earnings coming out, you guys are not gonna trade that session for that company, right? So for example, I said here. Okay, so Monday, today, there's no major news coming out. If you guys look here, there's no Apple, there's no Microsoft, there's nothing, right? It's just random companies, or not random, but really companies that don't move the market. So obviously, the market is not going to be anticipating the earnings coming out, which is okay. We can trade all day, which is why I'm doing a PM session, right? Now, for tomorrow, why did I say there's no PM session and only an AM session? Well, tomorrow we have AMD and Google earnings coming out. Obviously, you guys know AMD and Google are the giants in the market, right? So those will move the market. Now, with earnings coming out on Tuesday in the afternoon for AMD and Google right here, what tends to happen is the closer we get to market close, the slower the market gets because the market investors, they're anticipating the earnings coming out. So the AM will be good, and as we slowly ease into PM and ease into the close, it's going to get slower and slower and slower and slower until these earnings come out. Now, once the earnings come out, what's going to happen is the market starts moving a lot because obviously, earnings is a big movement. If there's a big movement, there's going to be a big move on NQ because NQ is aligned with AMD and all those stuff. Right, now, for example, if you go over to Wednesday, here I told you guys, Microsoft earnings and Facebook earnings are releasing, right? So avoid trading the PM session until these two are released in the after hours, right? So if you guys look at Wednesday, you have Microsoft right here, and you have Facebook coming out right here, right? So what you're going to do is you're not going to trade the PM session until these come out. Right now, this does not happen every single week. This happens, like very rarely, but it's gonna happen, right? Every quarter, so 4 times a quarter, or 4 times a year. My bad. 4 quarters, 1 year, all that stuff, right? And you guys might know that it's obviously that time of the year where earnings is gonna come out, right? So Thursday, for example, we have Amazon, Apple, and Intel, which is not too big, but Apple and Amazon, huge movers in the market, like trillions of market cap, right? So obviously, when something so big moves so much, right, it's obviously going to move NQ. So what you're going to do is you're going to be very, very careful till earnings comes out, right? And like I said, this does not happen every week. This happens 4 times a year, right? But at this time, this week is the time of the year where it's going to come out, right? So that's why I'm telling you guys here in the live training schedule that yes, I'll go live in the morning, right? But is there a PM session? Yes. No, and yes. Why yes on Friday? Well, if you guys look at the earnings calendar, we have nothing coming out on Friday. It's just like nothing. It's it's nothing to look out for here. But Thursday, Amazon and Apple. Wednesday, Microsoft and Meta. Tuesday, AMD and Google. All that stuff, right? So you guys are gonna be careful with that, right? But yeah, now that you guys have the schedule channel, you guys can finally stop asking me, is there a live trading, right? Just look at the channel, and the time will they be there, right? And if you guys ask me for the live trading, I'm gonna mute you guys because it's getting really annoying. So that's why I made this, okay? And I made sure to even color coordinate it so it catches your eye and you can actually read it, right? So, so please stop asking me for live trading because it's all here, right? But yeah, guys, that is what we're gonna do. So today, if you guys look at the schedule, if you guys look at Monday, is there live trading for PM session? If we don't get anything on the AM, yes, there is. So it's just a matter of time till the setup kind of pops up. So yeah, uh, bro, what is this, bro? What? Oh my, bro, what, bro, what is this, bro? Oh my, you guys are fucking crazy, bro. I thought more volume is good to trade. Yeah, but look, the volume doesn't come out when the market is open. The volume comes up when the market closes after hours, right? Earnings comes out when the market closes, right? And that's when the volume picks up. So what tends to happen is there's good volume in the morning, right, with earnings coming out, and then as we ease into PM session, it's gonna get lower and lower and lower and lower until earnings comes out at like 4:30, which is when you can't trade. So yeah, bro, my Trump meme coins is up. Damn, 1,500, but I can't sell it because I got scammed by honeypots. Wait, what do you mean you can't sell? You can't sell it like at all? Why not? Is there like did they take out like the sell button or something? Oh my, bro, Dave, I'm gonna ignore that part, the live trading part. Yo, Blast, you should buy a Lambo and make some sales funnels videos, bro. I'm gonna rent out a Lambo and just do like a skit. There's gonna be one expensive skit, bro, but be like, okay, guys, so you can see the Lambo here. If you wanna buy my course, you can buy it. Uh, will earnings? Wait, will earnings? Oh yeah, it will affect Asia, but it won't affect the entire Asia session. It will just be a lot of volume flowing in, for the first maybe 30 minutes, and then the market just slows down. So yeah, I mean, if you want to trade Asia, I would say trade the first 30 minutes, and that's about it. But if you'll be better off just trading New York. It'll be a lot better. But yeah, it does move Asia, at least for the first 30 minutes. Yeah, yeah. Is it tradable? You could, but I wouldn't. you know, they disable. They can do that. That's crazy, bro. How's that even legal? They disable your ability to sell. How is that legal? What? Robinhood type of, yeah, bro. Literally. Are you modding the CA? Yeah, I'm gonna supercharge it, but I'm gonna do it when what's it called? The warranty's up. Like the car is fast, but I've done so many pulls on it that like it doesn't phase me anymore. You know. So I'm gonna supercharge it. In the future. Yep. It's gonna be expensive. Twin turbo? You could twin turbo a C8? Yes. Oh damn, I didn't even know that. I mean, well, I'm not too much of a car guy, so like a modding car guy, isn't it? In two, no, it's 2.8. 0 to 60 in 2.8. Yep. And if you have good roads and good temperature and good everything and good tires, you can get 2.7, but just barely 2.7. But bro, it's like like every time I drive it, like bro, I didn't even I got the car not even a month ago, and it already has almost it has 1,300 miles. So I've driven it. Like I drive it like I drive it like I stole it. You know what I mean? Like bro, I do like I'll be going down the street and I'll make sure I do a pull before I get there. You know, so I've done so many that to the point where it's like I'm kind of used to it already. Like when I first got it, like I would get butterflies and be like, oh my god. Now it's like it's like whatever. Cause like I meant to be, bro. Yeah, bro. Obviously, it's just a race car. What car is it? A C8, C8 Corvette. That's just a race car. The engine's built for pulls every day. So you know the 01, bro. You know that I should have waited. Honestly, I got a really good deal on the one that I got now. But guys, the no, not this. The wait, which one is it? Hold on. Is it the Z06? Yeah, guys, the Z06. There's so much inventory for them. Just like mine, I got mine for an $8,000 discount, which is insane. Like I could not have gotten a better price for that. At least right now. At least right now. I don't know in the future, but brand new 0 miles, $8,000 off, right? Because there's too much inventory. I'm like, fuck it. I don't care about. I know it's gonna depreciate. I'm not buying the car for an investment. I'm buying the car to have fun with it. So I'm like $8,000, bro. Let's sign the paperwork right now, and they got me. I got the car that day. So the Z the is it the yeah the Z06 guys. There's too much inventory again, right? and they're doing more discounts on it, which is insane. So I don't know how much you're doing it for, but that car, you're getting it so much cheaper than it should be. So much cheaper. Uh, Mitsubishi Outlander. I don't know what that car is. Is it a bike? That sounds like a bike, but it's probably a car. Let me see the Outlander. Let me see. Let me see. Guys, by the way, I have my main screen open on the charts. Like I said, we're chopping up right now. We're still waiting on some sort of movement for the setup. So, if you guys want to come back PM session, I'll more than likely be live PM session. But, I'm going to be here chilling with you guys, just waiting for a setup to actually finally form. An Outlander. Oh, it's an SUV. Honestly, bro, I'm not too much of a big SUV fan. But if I ever went for an SUV, it would probably be, I really like G-Wagons. But I would probably do some sort of AMG. If I ever do an SUV, or hold on. What's it called? It's a BMW SUV. It's what is it? It's like hold on. X6? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Mama has the X6 but not the comp. No, it's not the X6. Is it? It is. Bro, this thing is beautiful, bro. It looks so aggressive. For an SUV, SUVs are not meant to be SUVs are meant to be mom cars. You know what I mean? Like, obviously. But bro, they made it look so aggressive and it's beautiful. But honestly, like I like that car, but I'll probably do an AMG instead for an SUV though. I don't know what you guys think. An Escalade? No, that's like a mafia car. They're big. Really, it's not something I would have fun driving. It's the car's huge, bro. Like I don't even know how you can fit into parking spaces. Like you probably take up like 2 spots. That's that car is big as hell. It's fast, but bro, that thing is nice, bro. That thing is nice. And then the forged wheels. I have forged. I don't know what it's got. Forged Auto, I think it's called. I have something forged. I don't know what that means too much because I'm not too big on rims, but in my car it says forged on the side. Do you guys know what that means? I don't know if it's some special rim or something. Or I don't know if it's like, oh, 2 metals forged together. Oh, that's fire. That's cool. Forged are the best. All right, cool. Yeah, mine they sound the rim like forged. It's pretty cool. But hey, guys. Escalade 2020 plus engines. But you know what engines surprisingly got, not surprisingly, but got better, bro? BMWs, bro. Like anything above, like I would say 2020, that shit will last you a lifetime. Which, they could have done it a lot earlier, instead of using plastic parts for a fucking BMW. So, but as bullcrap. I mean, I don't know, bro. From what I've heard, bro, BMW engines, they've been, my 2012 one, everything in there was plastic. So, eventually it will just you can take care of the car like it's your baby, and it'll find a way to break. So you see the new ones? Yeah, bro. Of course. I work at Caddy, and the amount of escalators that come back after a month for engine problems is wild, bro. You know what scared me with the C8? My friend's brother, him and his friend, they work at Chevy, or at least he worked. His friend does, and he said that amount of transmission problems that the C8 brings is insane. Like he has a whole line of cars just waiting to be repaired. So, am I scared for my car? Yes, but at the same time, it's under warranty. So, while it's under warranty, I'm gonna try to have fun with it before it blows up. It's a 2024 one, so I don't know. Maybe hopefully they fix the transmission problem. I mean, they had 4 years to fix it, so hopefully they set their shit up. But who knows? Also, a lot of you guys in here work for dealerships. Bro, guys. Sales is the best thing you could do in your life, especially on cap sales or on cap commissions sales. That's insane, bro. There's someone in here. I'm not gonna say his name because obviously it's private, personal reasons or private reasons. But guys, because he said it in the chat. I remember, bro. He made $140,000 in 1 month from car sales. You know how crazy that is? Yeah. So if you guys can master sales in your life, it doesn't even have to be car sales. You guys probably made it in life. Fuck a job, fuck all that stuff, bro. It's stressful, but look, Baron. It builds a lot of skills, You could build connections, I would say, maybe. But honestly, I'd rather work my ass off and get uncapped commission rather than work a salary. I don't know. That's me personally. Um, for a year, not a month. Oh, okay, for the year. I think he said something thousand. I don't know if it was 100K a month. No, he did. Yeah, no, he said a six-figure month. I remember. I remember like it was yesterday. Yeah. Eventually you burn out. Oh, bro, trust me. Yeah, no, there's definitely burn. Yeah, no, that's the thing. That's the thing. Yeah, yeah. Bro, even me, bro. You guys know, obviously, I'm in sales as well. I do trading. I do sales because obviously the Discord, getting you guys hooked, performing, which is why you guys get in here and all stuff. That's sales, right? But um, it's you can definitely get burnt out a lot. And for me, for me, I don't know about car sales, but for me, guys, I get endless DMs. Like right now, I have a whole list of DMs just waiting to be answered. So it pays though. It pays though. So in my opinion, honestly, uncapped commission it's a life skill, and if you work your ass off for it and you do it correctly, I don't know if you could do work smarter, not harder, but I don't know. I don't know how it works in car sales. Um, but bro, I just read your DM. I'm not gonna say your name, but yeah, exactly. You can earn as much. Exactly. It depends on how hard you want to work. Now, if you're not a hard worker and you just want to get money for just being there, for the hour, then work a salary job, which is nothing wrong with that. But in my opinion, if you guys want to make really good money, anything in sales with uncapped commission, it could be anything. You got just like a saying about sales. I forgot what it was. I'm not even gonna bother saying it because you guys know how I am with the sayings and the quotes. But you know what I mean. If you get a sales, you can sell anything. Fluctuating your time for $1. Eh, I mean, you're still making money. You get a few thousand. You get a few thousand from every car. Yeah, bro. The thing is, okay, for my car people in here, right? By the way, guys, the market is getting slower and slower as we approach lunch hour, which is not pretty. So maybe there's gonna be a good PM session. I don't know. But nothing yet so far, guys. Anyways, guys. Okay, for my car dealers in here, right? Would you guys rather? Because I'm sure it depends on the car price. You get a percent of what you sell, or of what you sell. But would you guys rather sell a cheap Toyota, not cheap, but like a Toyota like 20,000, or would you guys rather sell a supercar? Because I know you guys make a lot more from supercars, but you don't sell them as often. Now you don't make as much from Toyotas, but you sell them very often because it's a common car. Yeah, exactly. It is getting to know your customer. Exactly. Yeah. Probably sell $1,000 to one Lambo. That's the thing. So, would you rather just not make the money for selling that Lambo for X amount of time, or would you rather do more work and get that commission over time from the Toyotas? You guys let me know. I've always wondered. I'm like, if I ever got to do sales, would I do supercars or would I do like common cars? I don't. I feel like supercars is a lot better. New Toyotas are trash now. It's not that there's trash. I would say that companies they're stepping up their game. Like BMW for example, their cars have definitely gotten a tad bit better. From before. Oh, bro, Porsche sales are doing really bad. Like those cars are not selling. So if you guys work at a dealership for that, I don't know if that's true, but honestly, it's like a fine line between it. You want to sell luxury, but not like crazy prices either. As a part of a salesman, you have to deal with the constant issues. Two of the cars are older. If you're doing supercars, you might work on month target 1 to 2. That's my number. Yeah, but bro, that those 1 to 2 sales, because like guys, when it comes to supercars, you don't really, from what I've thought, like for me for example, with the Corvette, I the guy was like, oh yeah, he was trying to show. I'm like, bro, you don't need to show me anything. Give me the paperwork and I'll sell. I'll buy it. I'll take it off the lot, right? So I feel like when it comes to supercars, you don't have to do so much convincing because people know what they want with the supercar. They come to you, you sell the car, and that's it. You get the commission. From what I know, from what I think. I don't know if I'm wrong, then yeah, you guys let me know. But that's what it seems like, Because for me, my experience personally, it's always been like I go, I know what I want. I want this one. Okay, let's sign paperwork, and I'm out. You know. Now, when it comes to a very common car, like let's say for example Toyota or an Accord or a Honda, whatever, people want to know more about the car. They want to know more about the options. They want to know more about everything, and it's like you have to do a lot more work to get that commission, right? Because you gotta be like, okay, you could do this one, you could test out this one, but this one's better because the engine's this is, you know. So I don't know. I don't know. It's I guess there's pros and cons between both of them. Less volume of clients, but everyone who goes and sees exactly. They have first of all they had the money for it, so you know that you're gonna get that sale because they're not gonna be there to window shop, and on top of that, they more than likely know more about the car. You know what I mean? Bro, believe me, drive a GTR, best car ever. I had two of them, bro. I don't know. Old cars never like Supras. Like you look at them and they're cool, right? But it's like I don't know. 'Cause the thing is, I'm not too much of a car guy to the point where I mod my cars like in a garage and stuff. I just drive them, you know. Now, would I get a GTR? Maybe if I had like money lying over somewhere and just not using it, yeah, I would. But the amount of work that you have to put into a GTR, well, you could probably get a built one, but I mean the whole fun of a GTR and Supras like that, you know, it's you build them. You know that's the whole point. The car has value to you because you build the car. You know, so honestly, um, would I get a GTR? Yes, if I had money like money that I would not use. Now, do I really want a GTR? Not really. I'm not really one of those people. I like sportier looking cars. And I know GTR is super fast, it's super nice looking. I'm not saying it's ugly, but for me, I like Lambos and C8s and shit. You know what I mean? Like the really sporty cars. That's what I like. Yeah, Lambos are nice, but they're surprisingly they're actually pretty. I'm not gonna say hated upon. They're just overrated. Oh, I know. Trust me, the GTR would never disappoint. I know that. I know that. And the amount of mods that you can do to the GTR, Asia Low. Yeah, no, we haven't taken it out yet. I'm still waiting on it. I'm still waiting on it. Don't worry. Um, but for a GTR, it's fun because the amount of mods and tunes you could do to that car is insane. It's insane. The whole car, bro. I know it's insane. I don't think I've never heard anyone complain about a Lambo's problem. And matter of fact, guys, speaking of, bro, if you guys have, yeah, no, guys, we have not taken out Asia Low yet. I know, we haven't taken it out. Don't worry, we haven't taken it out. But guys, what's it called? I watched this movie and I kind of suggested to you guys, if you guys like cars, it's called it's called Lamborghini, the man behind the legend or something, the legend behind something. Bro, that movie is really fucking good. Like really, I watched it like this weekend. It's called Cars, bro. No, look this one. Look, hold on. Lamborghini movie. This one, guys. This movie right here, guys. It's really good. Yeah, the Ferrari movie. Cause look, the reason they're so reliable is cause okay, look, he had a tractor company, bro. It's really good. Look, I'm not trying to spoil it, but it's like the idea of the movie. I'm pretty sure I can explain it. He had a tractor company, but he owned a lot of Ferraris, right? The problem is with Ferraris, they're not reliable. The clutch on Ferraris are horrible. So he tried to do a what's it called, a collab with Ferrari, and the old man told him, like, he's like, fuck off, bro. You're only good for tractors, you know. So he got mad and we broke the loan, yes. Now we not on NQ though. Yeah, nothing crazy, bro. What's it called? He got really he got annoyed and he built a Lambo, and he started competing with Ferrari, and you know it's just how Lambo was made, right? For reliability, because the Ferrari, you know, it just wasn't reliable for the money that they charge. He said, I remember there's a quote in the movie. He's like, bro, you're robbing people, right? Because what you're paying for, you're not getting what you're paying for, because the parts are gonna break, like the clutch, right? And stuff like that. So he built a Lambo, and you know that's the movie. It's a really good movie. I suggest you guys watch it. Anyways, guys, back to the charts. So far nothing. So far nothing. And they don't make GTRs anymore in Europe, bro. You're making me want to. I've never been in a GTR. Like I've seen it obviously, but never been in one. Plus, have you seen the GameStop movie? No, I haven't. Honestly, they're insane, bro. I know, bro. Trust me. Now, the real question here, guys, for my car guys, is would you guys rather drive a GTR or would you guys rather drive a Supra? like the old one, like the 19 something DTR. Damn, you guys are quick. GTR for sure. Honestly, I do like the way GTRs look over Supras. But you can make a Supra look really nice. Call me crazy, but I rather drive the newer Supras, like cosmetic wise, rather than the old ones. I don't know, the old ones they just don't. Supras have too much turbo lag. Why don't you just do the what is it called the anti lag? It's like when you press a button in your thing, bro. What? How do you do this, bro? Guys, what? Bro, he made me a little ass baby, bro. How? Oh, bro, you guys are. I'm gonna save this picture, bro. 'Cause this is actually funny as fuck. Bro, like, is this what you guys do when there's no setups? Oh my god, bro. You guys, bro, I have the craziest community out here, bro. First, it was RP. Now it's me as a little ass kid, bro. I'm gonna save this shit, bro. Hold up. Oh, I saved the picture, bro. I'm gonna put that shit as my profile picture. That's just way too funny. When are you gonna drop a song, bro? I stutter too much. I can't do music. Skyline interior looks so cheap. I mean, bro, it is an old car, to be honest. Oh, bro, that is nice. That is nice. That is really fucking nice. But yeah, guys, so far we have not taken out Asia yet. I don't know why. Like, bro, just do something. It's definitely gonna be a PM session. Definitely. Definitely gonna be a PM. But only time could tell, guys. Only I don't want to get off till I get a setup, but does training stop over lunch? It gets slower. It doesn't stop. It gets slower. David, is the setup still valid? Yep, it is. It is. But we're really far away from it. Bro, those are your cars? No fucking way. Bro, what? That is, bro. That is beautiful, bro. Now, hear me out. For the Mercedes, bro. Hear me out, bro. Just do matte black, bro. Just hear me out, bro. Hear me out. I don't know why a Mercedes just looks girly to me. That's my take. That's an AMG, right? Yep, SLS. Yep. Bro, that thing, matte black, black rims, glossy black rims and matte black. Oh, bro, I would love that car. Bro, I have that same exact driveway. Now, I'm not too much. Apple just launched a new iMac. Yeah, it's whatever news. Honestly, when does an Apple drop? Now, wait. ES is taking out these lows. Maybe we can get a sweep here, but we still gotta wait. Bro. The Doral drive. Wait, you live in Doral? Gear? Wait. Gear. No fucking way, bro. You're not gonna believe this. I live in Doral too, bro. Bro, what? How many of you guys live in Miami? Bro, more people in here live in Miami than anywhere else in the world. Okay, guys, we finally took out Asia. Oh my, finally. It took like 3 hours, bro. But yeah, bro, I live in Doral too. What? I live in Fort? Oh, no, that's pretty far. That's like, what, like 40 minutes from us? Bro, how many of you guys live in Miami, bro? Damn. Or in Florida. Who the hell is this? San Diego? Ah. I know a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of people are from Miami, bro. That's crazy. I do want to visit San Diego though. For real. Yeah, no, yeah, bro. Zay, we've been waiting for this level all morning, bro. All morning. Now we can finally try to get a setup here. Who knows? If we're gonna MSS and we're not gonna set up, we can still inverse this one up here. It's just gonna take all of lunch hours to get up here. We don't have to pump up that much. 80 points, which might seem like a lot, but all you need is one good push-up candle, and we should be like halfway through it. So, who knows? Who knows? San Diego before college? Damn. Bro said 63rd. Bro's for Lil Durk, bro. Lil Durk and King. If my trading view is 15 minutes behind, do I need to log into Trader? Yeah, you do. Yes. Make sure you link both together, and then you shouldn't get the delay. But yeah, guys, right here, like you guys know the saying. I always say this: if the market were to bounce anywhere, it would be, in my opinion, right now. I don't see us going lower. Now, if we want to go lower, we're definitely gonna fill this gap. But with us taking out such a big level in Asia, we could definitely sweep this level and go right back up. On top of that, guys, we also swept all the levels over on ES. Now, ES is not taking out the gap fill, but it did take out this Asia low. No, London low. Okay, yeah, it took out the London low. So, guys, in my opinion, guys, if the market were to bounce up anywhere, I would really want to say it would be right now. Like, it would bounce off this level. Now, I don't know how much volume is going to kick in with this bounce, but I do believe this is the bottom. I really do believe this is the bottom. I do believe it. Bro, you stopped the bootcamp videos? No, sir, bro. I was on vacation, bro. Or not vacation. I was on a trip. It was more of a trip. I was on a trip, so I didn't have time to really record or edit. Definitely sell common cars. It's a lot of it's what high demands with low and mid class people buy. With Lambos, it's gonna sit in the lot for a long time. Yeah, I agree. But bro, once you sell that Lambo, bro, you're set for who knows how long. You know? So yeah. We didn't, David. I'm free. Bro. Why are you guys putting the rainbow flag to that message? But no, bro. Today, bro, guys, this week I am busy as hell. I gotta catch up on the bootcamp videos. Speaking of, all that stuff. What about 460 blast from previous PM? 460, we could see it, but honestly, bro, it's pretty far. I don't know how, especially with this buying volume coming in and all that stuff. I don't know if we see 460. We could, but maybe for some other time this week. You know what I mean? Definitely not for now. Sorry, I'm a tad bit confused. Are you still looking for a long? Yes, I am. I know it's a little bit far. Don't get me wrong, it is a little bit far. But Baron, we've been waiting all morning for this Asia low to get swept, to go ahead and have the bullish bias, to then look for that long to take it. Right? So, yeah. Let me see. Blast, what high school did you go to here? No, I did not go to high school in Doral. No. It was pretty far. Obviously, I'm not going to say where because, if you guys find a picture of me, it's not going to be, you guys are going to edit it, and I'm not trying to deal with that right now. Hi guys, new here. I've been looking. Let me see. Wait. Hi guys, new in here. I've been learning from the wrong people. I hope I can learn and make. Hey, bro, welcome, man. Well, or I can't really read your name because it's like dotted out. But welcome. I'm gonna say bro. I'm gonna call you bro. Welcome. Welcome. And yeah, you're in the right place. Of course, if you want to learn from us and all that stuff, we have everything here. And then make sure you check out the day trading guide channel. This is where my entire strategy is for pretty much everything. Right, like literally everything. So, yeah, just check out that channel, and you can get the strategy pretty much from there. But yeah, welcome, as always, welcome. But yeah, let me catch up with the chat. Trying to get blast yearbook picks. No, bro, it's really fucking bad, really bad. I really wish I had my glow up earlier in high school rather than like a few months before I graduated, because no, I'm not about no, Nate. Still glowing up, yo. But yeah, no. But back then in high school, bro, I was really like if you imagine a trader, that's what I look like. You know what I mean? That's it's online gear, definitely online. But if this doesn't go up, I'm gonna kiss you, bro. I mean, it takes time, bro. I don't know. I can't control the market. Bro, scaring the hus? Bro, yeah, literally. Bro, yes, bro. It was really bad. It was really, really bad. But bro, once you glow up, bro, everything, your life changes, bro. Let me tell you, bro. You pull up with the Beamer in high school, bro, and you gotta glow up. You go to the gym a little bit, bro. Let me tell you, life changes. I'll tell you that. Yeah, Dave, did the people that slept on you try to hit you up now? Not really, no. I mean, when I posted the picture of the CA on Instagram and I post the stories and all that stuff, people congratulate me, which is you know nice. It's some people have hit me up. They're like, bro, like I've been working. Can you put me on? I'm like, bro, like I'm gonna help you, but you could have hit me up any other time. But now that it's my everything is changing, you hit me up now. But no, I've been getting like 99% of them are congratulations. So I say, hey bro, thank you. How you been and all that stuff. So it's good catching up with other people. I mean, to be fair, I never post on Instagram, so why would they just hit up a random ass person or not random, but you know. You tell him here's the Discord. I do. I actually do actually. Yeah. Personally, I would be gatekeeping. The thing is, I don't really post anything on Instagram. I just kind of post my trips. Where's the live stream on Profit Insider Premium? Hey, no, bro. I don't do anything in there, bro. Marcus. I just kind of just put my ideas in there. And the stream is both on YouTube and in my Discord right here. Bro, yeah. Bro, what the? I want to ban your ass, bro. But guys, hey, you guys can't say we weren't wrong, guys. Hey, guys, were we not waiting for this, guys? We took out Asia low. I told you guys, if the market were to bounce up anywhere, it would probably be right now. We're getting the bounce up. Now, the only thing is, we just need the setup. We know the bias is bullish. We know it. It's kind of obvious. Bro, oh my. Bro, it's like, it's whatever. The bias, we know it's bullish. The thing is, it's the lack of setups, the lack of movement. We don't have not much to work with here. So, but we know the bias is bullish. We know that the bias could be bullish. I mean, it's kind of hinting it. ES is picking up here and everything. It's just the lack of setups. That's the hard part. We don't have setups. What's the plan? What's the plan here now? Okay, so there's two things that can happen. There's two things, Valo. So look, we're not looking for shorts. We're not going to do shorts today, right? The bias, we're sticking to bullish. We're going to marry a bullish bias, right? Okay, we're married to the bullish bias. So we're not going to look for shorts. So if the market goes down, we'll probably just stay cash for today. Okay? Okay, so we get that part. We're not looking for shorts. Unless something really good comes up, I don't know if I'll take it. I really like longs though. So with our bias being married to being bullish, right? There's two things that can happen. We either slowly push up in the PM session, obviously not the AM, we're about to go into, we slowly push up into this fair value gap, just like this, and then we get the breakout here, and we take it even higher into drawn liquidity above, into the untapped liquidity, or big or here, right? Or we get, now that we swept liquidity here, and we don't know if sellers really want to pick up here or anything, but let's say, for example, buyers want to go ahead and call the absolute bottom and make this go all the way up. What we can go ahead and do here is we could possibly expect, after the sweep, we can expect a nice fair value gap to form right here. We get the retracement into this fair value gap, we take entries, and we take it into the fair value gap above, and, we go from there. You guys, bro. Anyways, but you guys get what I'm saying? There's two types of setups we can do here, right? We either take the existing setup that we already have, but it could take a lot of it's everywhere. Bro. Bro. But what we could do here, guys, is we can take the existing setup, or we can make another setup on the way up, get a retracement into that setup, and just take it, right? So there's two possible setups we could take, but it's a matter of time, and it's definitely gonna happen sometime in the PM session, not right now, because right now we're heading into lunch, prices slowing down, and all that stuff. By the way, guys, let me ask you guys something, because there's about 300 people in here. Is anyone in here? I'm very curious, because I'm trying to start something up. I'm not too big on that. But guys, do you use multiple funds? Yes, I use 10 at a time. Copy trading 10. But guys, does anyone in here like believe in AI projects? Like, is anyone good at scripting with AI? Like really really good? Because I thought of something last night and I kind of wanted to start it. Like another business model, but around AI this time. Since AI is taking over, maybe I can start up something huge. Did it hit the weekly open? FEGA? The weekly open? Well, yeah, kind of. Yeah, it did. It swept it as well. But we're still trying to decide what we're trying to do here. But, yeah, we're still waiting on the buys here. Okay, because, guys, I kind of wanted to start something. Okay, look. Obviously, with sales or with the business, you guys got to sell something that you guys, like, that people want, right? Or that people need. So, obviously with AI becoming a huge thing, and it's probably gonna be more than likely, or pretty much already is gonna be the future. And my niche is trading. Why don't I work on something with that can be AI, but that can help you with trading? It's kind of like a draft in my mind. But you guys know I want to be like I want to be big on business. And obviously, you guys are here. About 400 people were in here today. But bro, I really want to start up something on the side with AI that can make everyone's life easier. You know what I mean? AI your strat. I mean, bro, you could do an indicator for that. That's nothing major. Even I could do it, but you know, but it's like it's like I can probably think of something and make it into reality with AI, and who knows? Because I mean, it's a pretty. I know you guys are saying that the yacht ticket trade. Nope, nothing yet, bro. We're still waiting on something. Market is still as choppy as possible. Um, but like I know I like since AI is coming up, it's fairly new. Sure, there might be trading ideas that are already made out there, but not everything, and not everyone knows too much about trading to the point to make something about AI meant for trading. You know what I mean? So who knows? Who knows? I'm kind of thinking about something. But guys, if you guys are good with like really really good with like maybe websites or AI or something, please hit me up because I want to fund a project into AI for maybe trading or something that people need. You know what I mean? That will make everyone's life easier. And I want to start something up with AI. Have something on the side. Work on. So guys, if you guys are down for that, just DM me. I'll fund it and everything. Like I'll put a lot of money into that. Like that's something I'm actually really passionate about because I use AI a lot to help me out, mainly for school. But it's definitely something I'll fund like thousands into. But when I'm gonna be adding mods, I'm not gonna lie. I keep saying I will, and I kind of just flies over my head. Yeah, mainly for school. Yeah, I mean obviously. Bro, yeah. Wait, let me see. The thing is, the indicator for fair value gaps, that's already a thing. I don't really care about indicators. It's just I need to come up with something that like I don't know. It's kind of like in the back of my like it's cool. It's cool to see. It's really cool to see. And who knows? Maybe if AI gets really really big in the future, I could probably sell that company for millions. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? But we gotta start something right. And especially now that it's coming up, like sure, AI has been a thing for a few years, but it's still fairly new. Like it's still improving. Apple just barely put AI out for the phones and all that stuff. So yeah, manifesting. Yeah, bro. I'll think about it on this. Maybe when I go to the gym or whatever. That's usually when I brainstorm. I put some music on and I just think while I'm working out. But check the DMs. Yeah, I'll check it all, guys. If you guys are like good with AI and all that stuff, guys, hit me up on Discord. Like, just send me a message because I want to fund thousands into something huge. Um, but yeah, let me see. Someone in the premium chest, not premium, training chest said Chop City. Good day, y'all. Yeah, bro. I don't know if you're in the stream, bro, but bro, it is very choppy today. Very very fucking choppy. But we're here, disciplined, patient, and all that stuff. We're here, disciplined and patient. I think we go lower today. I mean, honestly, we could. We have room to go lower. It's really hard to read when the market is doing nothing. You know what I mean? Like I'll be able to tell you guys where the market wants to go to. And I mean, it's just really hard to read when you have price like this. I mean, to be fair, guys, it is a Monday with no news, so you guys can think of this Monday as like more of like a warm up type of day. And we'll see when something comes up. But so far, nothing. Of course, I'm not gonna force something out, but who knows, man? Who knows? We gotta wait. Hopefully the PM session blesses us. But it's already lunch hour, so I'm probably gonna call it soon for like an hour or two until something comes up. But so far, crazy. I'm gonna go make food and be back. Yeah, no, me too, bro. I'm starving. I haven't even eaten breakfast. David, what's your favorite restaurant here in Miami? Bro, have you ever heard of Rusty Pelican? by far, or actually no, sushi sake, bro. That's really good. I love that restaurant. Both do sushi. Yeah, yeah. Rusty Pelicans, bro. It's insane, bro. Insane. Like, I know it's overpriced a little bit, but bro, the food, I think it's worth it. Sounds like SpongeBob. Yeah. But yeah, no, guys. Like for real though, with the AI thing, if you guys are like studying AI and stuff like that, like, and you guys are good with building websites, guys, hit me up because I kind of want to work with you guys on something for AI because I want to start something up, like something new, something that people need, you know. But yeah. But price, guys, the market is really trying to hold above this gap fill. Who knows? Like I said, PM session will have the answer to our setup. Oh, DM, I have ideas. Yeah, bro, go ahead, guys. DM me, please, please. I'll respond to every single one. How much money can you make? Can you earn on a 50K account, bro? As much as you make, bro. There's no limit. Do you have a list of every topic you're going over in a bootcamp? Not yet. I'm kind of just going as I'm kind of doing it as I go. I do want to do a discipline video. Are you going live? PM? Yep. That's if I find a setup though. That's if I find a setup. But I mean, we are in lunch hour, guys. So honestly, I might just take a break from the charge. Are you guys down to come back? There's a daily, yeah, no, obviously, yeah, there's a daily limit, the 30% rule. But are you guys down to call it a live for now and come back later? Yep, I'm seeing a lot of yes. Okay, yeah, guys. But for now, guys, please stay patient. I know the second I'm gonna get off, the market's gonna move, you know, as always. But guys, in the meantime, stay patient, stay disciplined. Do not force any setups, because obviously you guys can see the market. It's not very pretty. It's a lot of wicks. It's like a Christmas tree right now. What time are you coming? I don't know yet. Maybe like 1:30, 2, around there. So yeah. So if you guys want to go do whatever you guys are gonna do, go ahead. You know what I mean? Okay, see you later. God bless. Alright, yeah. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. If we get a sub, I'll start the live trading. If not, then you know, we'll be good for tomorrow. Alright, guys. But yeah, so far, just stay disciplined, stay patient, just wait for the setup. I got you guys with the commentary. Alright, guys, and then of course, obviously, I'll alert it in the future, or when the setup plays out. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Peace out. Peace. I'll see you guys later. Alright, and for my YouTube people, guys, I'm not going to be going live on YouTube for the PM session. You guys know I usually never go live for the PM. But guys, if you guys want to go ahead and get access to today's PM session or tomorrow's live trading with no delay, guys, click the first link in the description. Get access to the store page, and you guys will be able to get into the premium. And, you know, you guys go from there with the commentary, alerts, schedule, live trading, everything that you guys need. Alright, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and call it a live trading for today on YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow then at 10